Good afternoon, everyone. You're listening to Bite Size Insight with DJ Shernaden Jumado and DJ Axarimio. Your weekly dose of insight into the every involving words of ICT. Let's explore.
For today's guest, we will have Ma'am Tricia Duran with Ma'am Janet.
What is the biggest misconception people have about technology or ICT?
Have about technology. The biggest misconception so far, accordingly, we've brainstormed with Ma'am Janet. I also got this information from Ma'am Janet that with regards to ICT or technology, people tend to think that in all applications that they have, lahat ng andoon is naka-private. Where in fact, it is not. It can be shared. It can be shared, yes. And I believe it is being monitored. Just like for example, there has been a post recently shared from DICT, if you can research that one, that it is the Telegram is being Telegram will be abolished or parang matanggal siya because accordingly many people have been using it negatively. In what ways? Parang instead of this could be a connection for communication, stuff like that, it has been a platform of sending pornographic and whatnot. Parang there has been cases or reports that Telegram was parang used for that. So yan yung parang recent reports if you will just do some research.
From the grade 12 ICT student of Pasunangka National High School, Mr. John Paul Patricio.
What is one piece of ICT that you can imagine living without and why?
Can I question again?
What?
Repeat that question.
What's one piece of ICT that you can't imagine living without and why?
For me, it is computer because computer is necessary in our everyday lives because without it, you can't even take research or do anything what you want to.
So, for second question,
How has ICT changed your daily routine or made your life easier?
ICT changed my life because it again.
How has ICT changed your daily routine or made your life easier?
ICT it changed my life because you can learn about its skills, not so basically but rarely because it it will what do you call this, it enhances your knowledge about how you use computers in each day.
okay. Thank you so much for that insight. And the oral communication subject teacher, Miss Concepcion Ram. Good afternoon, Ma'am Connie. So, we are here to get insights about ICT, and your questions is,
What is the biggest misconception people have about technology or ICT?
The biggest misconception about ICT among people is that there are many people who would like to be familiar, to be oriented with ICT, but sometimes ICT opportunities are not available to these people. There are people who would like to have a mastery in this field, but because of lack of equipment or any available materials, that is why people will not be able or cannot or will not have an opportunity to master ICT. Okay? So, yun.
So, the next question is, how has ICT impacted social connections and relationships both positively and negatively?
ICT towards social connections. When we talk about ICT's impact to people, especially nowadays among young ones, among students like you, students are using social media, which is one form of ICT. And then, when you talk about positive aspects about it, some of the teenagers can actually post their feelings, wherein this will somehow lessen their burden siguro or their depression when they have posted something relative or related to their feelings or emotions. When you talk about the negativity, we're talking about the, of course, the disadvantages in the things that are posted online. This will lead to negative performance also among students maybe, okay, because some of the information that they see with the use of ICT in the social media, some of the young ones are actually believing it without confirming if it's true. Okay, these things may lead to fake news. Okay, there are also some of the things which are given online with the use of ICT which are not confirmed, not verified. So these are things that can somehow are harmful to young ones. Okay? Yun.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Connie, for your time. Thank you very much.